Traffic surveyors and Dankaurs play a crucial role in assessing and analyzing traffic patterns and conditions in the area. These professionals are responsible for gathering data on traffic flow, volume, and speed through various methods such as manual counting, video recording, and automated systems. By conducting detailed surveys, traffic surveyors can provide valuable insights and recommendations to improve transportation infrastructure and enhance road safety. In Dankaurs, traffic surveyors employ advanced technology and tools to collect accurate data about traffic conditions. They use devices like radar guns, infrared sensors, and closed-circuit television cameras to monitor vehicle movement and measure traffic parameters. This data is then analyzed to identify congestion points, peak traffic hours, and areas that require traffic control measures or infrastructure improvements. The role of traffic surveyors goes beyond collecting data. They also contribute to the design of efficient traffic management systems. By studying the collected data, surveyors can identify areas where road signs, traffic signals, or roundabouts are needed. They can recommend changes in road alignments or suggest the installation of speed humps or pedestrian crossings to improve safety. Additionally, they can assess the need for parking facilities or changes in parking regulations to alleviate congestion. Traffic surveyors and Dankaurs are familiar with the guidelines and standards set by transportation authorities. They ensure that their surveys adhere to these standards and provide accurate and reliable information. This information is vital for government agencies, urban planners, and developers to make informed decisions regarding road construction, expansion, or rehabilitation projects. The evaluation and analysis of traffic patterns and conditions in the area are key tasks performed by traffic surveyors in Dankaurs. These experts are in charge of gathering information on the volume, speed, and flow of traffic using a variety of techniques, including automatic systems, video recording, and hand counting. Traffic surveyors can offer insightful analysis and suggestions to improve the transportation system and increase road safety by performing thorough surveys. To gather precise information on traffic conditions in Dankaurs, traffic surveyors use cutting-edge equipment and technology. To track the movement of vehicles and gauge traffic conditions, they employ equipment like radar guns, infrared sensors, and closed-circuit television cameras. Then, this data is examined to locate regions that need traffic management or infrastructure upgrades, peak traffic times, and congestion sites. More than just gathering information is what traffic surveyors do. Additionally, they support the creation of effective traffic control systems. Surveyors can pinpoint locations that require roundabouts, traffic signals, or road signs by analyzing the data they have collected. To increase safety, they might consider rerouting traffic or adding speed bumps or pedestrian